HSBC, which is one of the biggest banks in the world, has hired its first AI officer and is calling him as Chief AI Officer. Now, we have heard about Chief Risk Officer, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Technology Officer. But what's interesting is that even though there is already a Chief Technology Officer, the bank has decided to create a position for Chief AI Officer. And that's quite unique in its way. I think many banks already have chief analytics officers. I know many banks, such as Lloyds Bank, NatWest, many of these US banks have chief analytics officers, which who are also working very closely with the AI teams. But they are not part of the board. They are not part of the board of the directors in the bank. And after HSBC decisions to create such a position, which is at the board level, right, at a very senior level, this is quite interesting. That means AI is actually getting a lot of attention in the banking and financial service world. And HSBC is an interesting bank. It's based out of London. It is headquartered in London, but its main operations are in Asia. The name suggests it's Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation, so it's best. Ideally it should be best out of Hong Kong. It actually originated. It was created in Hong Kong, but later on the headquarter was moved from Hong Kong to London. So it's an interesting bank with presence all over the world, and it's going through tough times right now because of a number of things, scandals and so on and so forth. There is also so much of restructuring happening, and HSBC is cutting jobs. I think it's cutting a lot of jobs now, and with this position AI, I think it's quite clear that HSBC is trying to position itself as more of a tech-heavy bank with a lean team, uh, low number of people, but more tech-centric customer services. So a lot of the jobs have been affected recently because of the restructuring, and the money saved because of the job cuts will be invested in AI programs. That's what the announcement has clarified. All right, I think more and more banks will start hiring chief AI officers in the future because AI is getting a lot of attention from all quarters, certainly in the banking financial service world, which is so much data heavy, so much information heavy. Having AI centric strategy is something that all the banks are quite keen on, and therefore they're hiring very senior executives and calling them as chief AI officers. Okay, all right. We'll come back with another story later.